Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes guys, I'm so excited for this video. All natural, guys. Can you see my hair? Yes, I blow dry it and it's freshly washed and blow dry. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, so this video is sponsored by Leave-In Hair Company, and you can find them on Amazon or right here. So guys, that is the reason I'm super excited. Please go check them out on Amazon. I will leave a link of how to find them in the description box. All right, so guys, now I'm gonna show you a short clip of how I joined them. All right, so these are the hair or the locks. They're super long. All right guys, I joined them together, so check out that clip and we're gonna come right back. These are new locks, Faux locks. All right, Jamaican people say dreadlocks, natty dread. So here guys, I took some out already, so this is it, and I bought 6 packs, and they're like this in the package. The packaging are really good, and it comes within 2 to 5 business days. I got mine within 3 days. These are 18 inches, and I'm gonna make them to be 36 inches long. We're gonna do some long dreadlocks. All right guys, what you want to do, you want to grab 2 pieces of the hair. All right, okay, so we're gonna say this is the top part. Now what you want to do, I'm going to comb away this part, or you can unravel it, it doesn't matter. So once you have it like that, you want about this amount, okay? And you're going to find the middle, just like that. Then you're going to go here and you're going to grab one part, and you're going to pull that one part through. Now I'm going to tie it. I'm going to give it about 2 ties. We're going to wrap one upwards, and then this one now guys, you want to pick it up. We're going to wrap it downwards. And you're going to have something like this, and then you're going to use your hand and you want to rub it, and there you have it guys. Look at that, it's not going anywhere. You want to get some hair like this, or any kind of rough crochet braids, and you want to unravel it ahead of time. So what I did, I just pull one out. I'm showing you now guys, so when I'm ready to do it, it's so easy. And you want to pull your fingers through it a few times. So can you see it guys? So you want to have a few pieces of crochet here. And I'm just going to plait them. So guys, you can go ahead and you can put some edge control, but I'm not going to because I freshly washed my hair. So I'm going to give it some plaits or some braids. Now when I reach about halfway here, I'm just going to twist it. Oh my god, the hardest part I think is to do all these plaits, and they give you a crochet needle and some clips. some hair accessories. Find the middle, put it through, and then you're gonna, I can't see guys, you're gonna hook it, close it, pull it through, once you have the middle like this guys, now you want to take this one, your hair, and now you want to make a tie. All right, so basically after you open it a little bit, then you're gonna wrap it over your hair and untwine just a little at a time and wrap. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do, because my hair is super long, I'm gonna fold it. And rub it in. All right, can you see that guys? Can you see that? All right, and that's that. You can leave it like this if you want. All right guys, it's optional, but for me, I'm gonna secure it to right where my hair stops. I'm gonna go in with my piece of hair, piece of braid, put it on it, and I'm gonna wrap it a few times around the root. And then you just want to continue right down. And you don't have to be too neat guys, just wrap it. So basically when you have this left guys, I'm going to make a little tie. And then I'm just going to finish wrap the rest around. And then you want to roll it out guys. And it don't have to be too neat or tidy. Can you see that? Alright. And can you see how long it is? So instead of using my hair, because my hair is so tall, I'm just going to focus on the front with that. And in the back, I'm just going to crochet them in. So I'm going to show you how I do the back. Alright guys, so this is how I can row it. Just like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start to crochet on each of the plaits. Alright guys. And I just tuck it in right here. What we're going to do, you're just going to crochet it in. They're all full. I just have one right here. After you push it through, you want to pull it tight. With some of them, guys, I don't bother to put it through this or to crochet it. You can do it either way. What I did, I just leave it as is because I'm gonna hide it. Put this like so, and you want to wrap it around a few times. All right, guys, when I reach about here, I'm gonna bend this. And it doesn't have to be too perfect, guys. It's okay. And when you reach at the end, guys, you don't even have to tie it, guys. You just wanna wind it until there's nothing left. You can even go upwards too. And then you want to roll it. All right, guys, so that's it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a little bit of baby here, although I don't have any, and I'm gonna stand up. Maybe I have to go outside so you can see it because it's super long. So I come outside so you can see it, and guys, this is it. So nice. All right, guys, and I put two little bit of hair drill on top. I got it in a package, and this is it, guys. This is it. Can you see that, guys? So that's the natural lighting for you, okay, guys? That's it, natural lighting. All right, so please go and check out Leave-In here on Amazon. They are the best, and thank you, Leave-In, for these here, and thank you for sponsoring my video. I'm super excited. Thank you, guys. Look at this. Look how long they are. And guys, these are 36 inches. All right, and if you want, guys, if you're tired of the long length, you can go ahead and you can take these out, and then you have your regular 18 inches braid to use. All right, and to play around with. These are really nice, and they're not too heavy, guys, because they're not too big. Can you see one, guys? Super nice, super long. Yay.